In this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on CMF Phone 2 Pro. So first of all, what we need to do is turn off our device. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu, and then of course we want to press power off. Wait for the device to completely turn off, and once it is off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button. So press and hold both of these buttons for a couple of seconds until you see the boot mode. There we go. After that, as you can see, this is what you should see on your phone. We can use volume up button in order to choose a different option. You want to make sure that recovery mode is selected and then confirm by pressing volume down. After that, you should see the recovery mode text over here, and now let's wait for the phone to restart. And soon we should see this Android logo. Now we're gonna press and hold the power button, and while holding the power button, press volume up, something like this. Once you do that, you will be in the recovery mode, and over here we navigate by using volume buttons. So use volume down and up in order to move in this menu, and you can confirm your selected choice by pressing the power button. So in order to exit now from the recovery mode, we need to simply choose the first option on this list, which is the reboot system now. So make sure that reboot system now is selected and press power button. And now the phone will restart and you should be back into the normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.